A day in my life as a RCY officer of Quintilan National High School. Today, I'm with my friends and now we are going to success because this is where the RCY district event was held. And as we entered, we immediately noticed that students from other schools were there to participate in RCY district orientation. And the speaker immediately grouped us to make a yell and socialize with other students. And that's all for the morning. I didn't record the video when we got home from lunch because I forgot and I was in such a hurry that I forgot to record a video. And when we returned in the afternoon, one of the guest speaker performed CPR for the students to learn how to properly perform CPR so that we could use it if we saw someone is drowning or having a heart attack. At this point, we were given a privilege to perform a CPR.
One, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Negative pulse, negative breathing. Wala ko siya na ginawa kay naulaw. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ay, 100 ako, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Pulse, tanawa ang right and pulse sa chest, and then coming out ang breathing niya sa iyong baba. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Negative pulse, negative breathing.
Proceed to compression. Okay, come on. Nilak ninyo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43,